Thanks for logging in to the Mr. Show. All right, we're going to get right into it. We have a lot of shows packed into one show. You know that men will carry the burden and men will carry the weight when it comes to relationships, right? As you see right here, dudes carrying all that weight for a real good feminine type woman, all right? And also on the show, you know, we got a lot of things going on. It's the Mr. Show. Has this guy been using this woman? Or has, you know, she's just been giving it up? Like, it's a crazy show. So keep it locked right here. It's Red Pill. Yo, guess what? It's going to be a nice show. We're doing it like this. It's the Mr. Show. Let's get into it. Let's go.
What do you want?
I want someone who has a high level of integrity. I want someone who's...
Come again.
What you want? How's your partner supposed to? What do you want?
I want someone who has a high level of integrity. I want someone who's kind, not nice. And I want someone who is very disciplined. Because the thing is, like, people talk about, oh, I want this job, I want this lifestyle, yada, yada, whatever it is. I think if you focus on core values and characteristics of people, that is something that you can go a lot further with because they will end up being there. Your partner doesn't need to be everything for you. We are social animals. It's not fair to put everything on a guy in this situation, to be your best friend, your confidant, the one that's supposed to provide you excitement, but also stability and security. It's not fair to ask one person to give you all these things when most of us can't even give it to ourselves.
Good point, right? What do you say about that? You'd be asking for things that you can't even provide for yourself. You know what I mean? Going out to eat dinner and asking for steaks and oysters, all these things that you would never, lobsters that you would never order for yourself. You going out eating chicken, Chick-fil-A and all them thing they're brethren. Yeah? So, good point. Let's go.
Sure. So it's looking for what you need, not necessarily what you want. Right.
Now this girl here, 304. Why? Is it because she had crazy experiences? Is it because of the way she handled the experiences? Is the way that she presents the experiences on the internet without any form of, like, she don't care, bro. So listen to what she has to say.
I had a foursome before.
How many guys? 3 guys? One was in your mouth, one was in your pussy.
You see what I'm saying? No integrity. Does she have brothers and sisters? How do they feel about her online?
How many guys? 3 guys?
She had a what? Let's
be your best friend, your confidant, the one that's supposed to provide you excitement, but also stability and security. It's not fair to ask one person to give you all these things when most of us can't even give it to ourselves.
Sure.
So it's looking for what you need, not necessarily what you want.
I had a foursome before.
How many guys? 3 guys? One was in your mouth, one was in your pussy. What was the next one doing?
My butt, duh.
I fucking like that for you.
I loved it for me.
You watch porn?
I like Ebony, hardcore, fuck my mouth type thing. I like Ebony, hardcore, fuck my mouth type thing.
My mouth. You like to suck?
I love to suck. That's my favorite position.
Yo.
For sure.
When you first meet a nigga, you like how long it take for you to suck his?
If I'm feeling you and the vibe is there, it could be 2 minutes.
I respect that.
If I got some liquor in me or if I don't, telling jokes or if you not.
I be telling a lot of jokes.
Niggas stop me.
How does cum taste?
It depends. But now that I have a vegan man, the cum is excellent. That's the best cum I ever tasted. Vegan cum is good cum.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
I don't know. As an interviewer person, I would not be able to ask a chick how does a man's thing taste like. That's.
Shut up!
Let me stop. Let's go.
Goggling the balls, I'm playing with the balls, I'm doing everything with
What about the gooch in the ass?
Nah. Could be 2 minutes.
I respect that.
If I got some liquor in me or if I don't, telling jokes or if you not.
I be telling a lot of jokes.
Niggas stop me.
How does cum taste?
It depends. But now that I have a vegan man, the cum is excellent. That's the best cum I ever tasted. Vegan cum is good cum. I'm goggling the balls, I'm playing with the balls, I'm doing everything.
What about the gooch in the ass?
Nah, I'm not eating no ass.
Shut up! Shut up!
Nah, for real. You think I'm finna fly you out and not get no pussy? Are you crazy?
Yo, rude boy. Yo, rude boy, you ever been to a situation like that? You fly out a chick or you go out of your way for a chick and do all kind of extra stuff and she ain't giving it up, bro? What happens next? So this guy looks like he left the girl at the airport, bro. for not giving up the ting, bro. Is that cold or not? Let's go.
Stay right here. I told you that. I'm a creep. I'm a creep.
Give me an Uber. Like, what am I supposed to do?
Baby, you have to get on a flight. Uber where? Back to the hotel. We're in Puerto Rico right now. So if you're not finna give it up, you can stay right here. I'm not getting your flight.
Give it up in the airport?
I mean, we could go get a little motel real quick. We could go in the porta potty. We could go somewhere.
Rewind.
Nah, for real. You think I'm finna fly you out and not get no? Are you crazy? You can stay right here. I told you that. I'm a creep. I'm a creep.
Give me an Uber. Like, what am I supposed to do?
Baby, you have to get on a flight. Uber where? Back to the hotel. We're in Puerto Rico right now. So if you're not finna give it up, you can stay right here. I'm not getting your flight.
Give it up in the airport?
I mean, we could go get a little motel real quick. We could go in the porta potty. We could go somewhere in the bathroom. I didn't get an extra day because you was acting funny since you got here, acting like you ain't wanna. You feel me? But now all of a sudden you on your period. Now all of a sudden you on your period. So what you gonna do? Let me know right now.
To get home, for real?
No, seriously, I'm not buying. I bought a one-way trip for both of us. Now you need to find your way back.
Yo. I don't even care if it's a skit, bro. I don't even care.
Oh.
This is great. Let's go.
Or
Yo, you see her smile?
Oh.
The option hit her, yo. She's like, holy crap. That thing she said she was on her menstrual, eh?
now all of a sudden you on your period. So what you gonna do? Let me know right now.
To get home, for real?
No, seriously, I'm not buying. I bought a one-way trip for both of us. Now you need to find your way back.
Her brain, you see her brain computing. You see her brain thinking, though, right?
Oh.
Let's go.
Or
This is against the law.
this is against the law.
It's against the law. What? This is how now certain narratives now can be created that can cause a little bit of a problem, actually. You can't be talking random like that, shorty. You knew you were going on that trip. Why would you not go there prepared?
Oh.
You know what I mean. Come on.
What? How? I'm you? That's what you call that? No.
Wow. Now he gotta let her go. He said that he's trafficking her, bro.
Oh.
That's crazy, yo. What the fuck?
To get home, for real?
No, seriously, I'm not buying. I bought a one-way trip for both.
So she thinks now, she's in her mind thinking, should I do it? And then she comes up with, oh, you're peace-tituting me and you're S-trafficking me. What?
of us. Now you need to find your way back. Or
This is against the law.
this is against the law.
Yeah, this is Constitution.
What? How? I'm you? That's what you call that? No. I just feel like
All I can think is, you catfished me and now you drop this bombshell and you still expect me to date you? Are you insane? But I kept dating him.
Blame whoever is making you upset about that. If you feel like your man is being took or whatever.
All right, so this is Kaya. Yo, Kaya, tell him ugly. Yo, Kaya, let me get myself out of the way here because Kaya, shout out to you, right? You know, Cooking with Kaya, everybody should be familiar with this girl by now. It's a TikTok sensation.
Oh.
And she's just telling them ugly ass people, like, shut the fuck up. Look at yourself in the mirror before you come criticizing little Kaya here. Kaya's doing a great job. She's out there cooking food, and every man loves food. They say that a way to a man's heart is his belly. It's not it's the truth. So shout out to Kaya, and she has a message for the haters that are looking all bugly and busted and trying to hate on her. So Kaya, Cooking with Kaya. Let's rewind that. Let's go.
If you feel like your man is being took or whatever you say, like, blame him, not me. I don't know him.
The haters are out there hating Kaya. We understand. Let's go.
But I kept dating him.
blame whoever is making you upset about that. If you feel like your man is being took or whatever you say, like, blame him, not me. I don't know him. But yeah, like I said, if you go down and you look at the people who are saying negative stuff about me, you'll see how they look. That's all I'm saying.
Just say it, Kaya. They busted like crazy.
Because I never say nothing negative about people. Bro, my what that is. Because I never said anything.
Men are assholes.
Okay. Happy 2025 to you too. And in the same breath that she's calling men a-holes, men will carry all the weight for the right woman.
This age.
So check this out. Look at my screen here. This man has a woman on his back, a suitcase on his hand, right? He's using rollerblades, and he's traveling downhill at a high speed. Men will carry the weight for the right woman. So while she's saying men are a-holes, let's see what's really going on in the real world. Check it out. Thanks, Kaya. Thanks, Kaya.
You'll see how they look. That's all I'm saying. Because I never say nothing negative about people. Bro, my what that is. Because I never said anything.
Men are assholes at this age. Like, I'm 34, and so like when I was on dating apps and I was like really trying to find someone to date, just like put myself out there, like the number of times like I would match with so many guys and then they would just not respond to me. Once people found out I was a single mom and I had 2 kids, they had no interest in me anymore.
She told me fi me rum and pum pum.
So it's 2025. Shout out to you. Not sure if my voice was muted just now, but where you find these pictures, Snaky? Shout out to my boy Trinity Chris with the 2025 Christmas song.
They had no interest in me
Check
anymore.
It out.
She told me fi me rum and pum pum. A big bumper gal some trees with me rum and pum pum.
Shout out to you, Trinity Chris. All right, so what happened here is my boy Snaky. What happened, boy? All right, let's keep going to the next clip. This one here is straight out of the court system. And you know the original People's Court with Judge Wapner, but this is a new millennium style. This lady is from Belize. I believe her name is Dion or Deborah. And, you know, she has been moving kind of like she's not too smart for some real self-esteem issues. And we're going to follow this case. Let's go.
Relationship.
But were you his girlfriend?
Yes, at sometimes I was his girlfriend, and sometimes, like one weekend I was with him, and if I would text him the next day, he would say he don't want to be in no relationship, thanks for everything. He don't want to be in no...
Did he ever say he did want to be in a relationship?
Yes, Mom, he told me. He said I was his girlfriend.
Okay.
Sometimes I was his woman.
Okay.
And sometimes I was his wife. That's
wife?
what,
No. You'd know if you were his wife because you'd get married.
I know, that's what he said.
So tell me about these loans. When do you loan him what amount of money?
When I met the defendant, I wasn't working. I was going through a hard time with relationship with men. Anyway, we have a relationship. The thing is, he never abused me physical. He never hit me. He never put his hand on me.
He never abused me physical. Caribbean style. You hear that accent? I think that's Belizean. She's from Belize. Let's go.
That's what he said.
So tell me about these loans. When do you loan him what amount of money?
When I met the defendant, I wasn't working. I was going through a hard time with relationship with men. Anyway, we have a relationship. The thing is, he never abused me physical. He never hit me.
Okay.
He never put his hand on me.
He's not supposed to.
No, I know, but what I'm saying, most of my relationship, the men, they abuse me from my country. I'm from Belize.
Okay.
So he knew it. He don't abuse me
physically, but you feel he abused
but he does it mentally because he would tell me nice things. And then next day,
It's like the guy's like a lyricist. Did he really abuse her? And is manipulation really a crime? I don't know.
oh,
The only gift I need is rum and pum pum.
What? What does on this mean?
he said that I like
Then over for this Christmas fling, cause a rum and pum pum, rum and pum pum, rum and pum pum.
Tell me about the loans, please.
every time I would get paid, he would call me. At the time he wasn't working. He would say, Debbie, I need to pay bills. And me, I'm a diabetic. If I take my medication at night, I cannot go out. And I explained to him, I took my insulin, I can't move. He said, still, come, send the money to the Western Union. So anyway, because he know that I love him, that's why he...
What do you love about him?
He's charming.
I can't wait.
He have a way with women.
Okay, hold on, because I can't wait. What's going on?
Yeah, I met her. We had a little intimate relationship.
You know the judge wants to roast him right now. Like and subscribe, people.
Befriended her through the years. We both gave each other. It wasn't about her giving me only. You know, I supported her, brought her gifts. She helped me out.
Was she your girlfriend?
She was a friend of mine.
Was she your girlfriend?
At one point, yeah, I was trying to see how we would do being together.
Uh-huh.
But at the end of this relationship, I didn't see that her ambitions wasn't about moving forward. She kept complaining about God's bothering her at work, whatever. And I got tired of hearing that, So for me, I'm like, I wanted somebody that's going to help support me.
How support you?
Yeah.
Financially?
Not financially. I mean,
Because that's what she's complaining about, that she did all the paying for all the stuff and that you didn't, and that they were loans
No, I was
you kept
working
hitting her up
also.
with to pay your bills and that you haven't repaid.
No,
That's her
I was
loss.
working also. I gave her money as well as she gave me.
Did she make you any loans or these were gifts?
She gave me gifts.
Okay. She says you're a gigolo.
How am I a gigolo?
Well, I'll give you an example. According to her,
Okay.
well, let's talk about how it ends. Tell
People remember to like and subscribe. No, actually, just subscribe.
me how it ends.
It ends because I told him, Mr. McQueen, if you can buy me a Metro card, a $29 Metro card. He said that I'm killing him. So I said, look, I used to help you. Now I'm not working. Anyway, I went to pick up the Metro card at his apartment. So I asked him if I can go. He came out of the gate and gave me the Metro card. So I asked him if I can go inside. Anyway, after that, we had sex. And right after, he said, I have good news and bad news. I've been hearing this for 5 years, Your Honor. The good news is we can be friends. The bad
Hold on. We used to do that a lot. Yo, I got the good news and the bad news. Which one do you want to hear first? Oh, gosh. Let's go.
news is he's moving on. He said, I don't need any woman. I can buy. Come to find out, he's sleeping with the landlady.
Okay, do you want to
My
respond?
landlord?
Do you want to respond to that?
That's crazy.
Okay.
That is sick. My landlord is older than... No, I'm not sleeping with my landlord.
Okay, what is she thinking about?
Not sleeping with the landlord. Somebody else. Sure, but not the landlord. She's old.
And why are you
What
having
she-
sex with her and then dumping her 15 seconds later?
I told her before I didn't want to be bothered. I was trying to
See?
move on.
You told her
I
before?
offered her to give her the Metro card out the door. She came inside.
She kind of forced herself on you?
Well, naturally it's going to happen.
Or not naturally. You could have like greater honor than
I've been
that.
trying to move on for a long time.
Well, why don't you just not crush
she
her?
never...
I know, but
So, okay, so now you can't see me, but why is the judge giving him a hard time? He did not force this girl, yo. Let's go.
listen to me. It's obvious from me listening to her for the few minutes of this lawsuit that she has issues, okay? She has serious self-esteem issues. So why can't you just be a man and move on and tell her you can't come in, here's your Metro card, it's over.
Okay, she's trying to make it seem like the lady's disabled or something. All right, continue on. Let's go.
Why do you also have to have sex Well, naturally, because she's willing. Why? Does it ever occur to you not to think about you?
I've done that. That's why I.
Well, you didn't do that this day.
Well, I didn't do it.
That's right.
I fell short. Yeah.
Yeah, you did.
Temptation. I fell short.
All right, Deborah, let's talk. Okay. You tell me that you acknowledge you've had kind of a bad history with men. How old are you?
I'm 46.
Okay. So you've spent the last 20-something years with a bad history with men, right?
Yeah, that's why I came here.
I don't think it improved with him.
He abused me mentally.
Okay. Let me explain something to you. People can only hurt you if you let them.
Okay, I'm glad she at least said that. Let's go.
Someone might be able to hurt you once, then you just have to go to the police and get them behind bars. But for someone to repeatedly hurt you, it's because you are allowing it to happen. And at some point, you need to stop being the victim and you need to assert yourself. Which means that out of desperation, you don't continue to put yourself in a position like this. You cannot continue to put yourself in these positions and then complain, oh, but they're abusing me. No.
Yeah, because at this point, she's a grown woman still. And I'm glad the judge is speaking to her as a grown woman. Let's go.
You are just a woman who attempts to buy, you're one of a million
Didn't realize I was going to therapy today.
women who attempt to buy the love of a man who otherwise they can't get unless they take him out, unless they pay for him. Now, it's fine if you want to do that, and then you know what you're doing, and you know what you're buying, and then you don't cry about it in a court of law later. But you are asking me to turn around and look at 5 years and say all those things were loans when he denies the existence of the loans. Do you have a single promissory note? Do you have a single text saying I owe you money? Do you have an email saying I owe you money?
No, I deleted.
That's going to be a no.
In 5 years, nothing.
Yeah.
That's it. No, we're done. Okay, my verdict in this case is for the defendant because you have no proof.
I don't want him, Your Honor. I don't want him.
So that's all she wants to say is just, I don't want him. That's all she wants to continue to get out. Let's go.
Plaintiff learns that loans don't become gifts when a relationship breaks up. You understand the verdict?
She didn't want me to say what I wanted to say. I don't want the defendant. All I wanted is my money that I loaned him. He borrowed that money from me and he didn't want to pay. I don't want him.
Not like loan, no.
Right.
To prove it.
No, but the thing
Can
is...
you put him behind you?
Right. You see how the lady beside her is trying to set her straight, saying now you're saying the word loan and you have to prove it if it's a loan. Let's go.
Move on.
Please.
Have a fresh start.
I don't want him.
All right, right around the corner here.
Thank you.
And the documents are waiting. All right, thank you. All right, step in here. And what's your feeling on the outcome of this case and the facts of this case?
Well, I feel as though it's a thin line between love and hate, and you can't buy love. And I'm sorry that it turned out that way. And
what about your role in what she's going through here?
I feel for her. I've been there too, you know.
I'm glad he answered it how he answered it. What do you mean, what about his role? Yo, bro.
Stop the cap.
Yo, it's like everyone's trying to get up on the guy for what happened, the judge included. They need to just
Stop the cap.
and chill out. Yo, it's not his fault. She's a grown woman and she decided to do what she did. She took him to court and she lost.
You said you fell short.
Put your heart out there and then you don't get what you expect.
Well, you said you fell short. You kind of played into her weakness.
Yeah, at that point I did. Because we had been along, been together for a while.
You regret that?
Yeah. I've tried
next time?
Next time I won't do it.
All right, so let's just watch this. You know, it's the Mr. Show, and I'm here with you. Forget the video, yo. Forget the video camera. Just watch this, yo. This girl's so disrespectful, and she's from Cali.
Hey, bro, she mad, bro.
Respect where the fuck they at. You not where the fuck you from, bitch. I'm where the fuck that shit, ho. Yeah, 937, bitch.
You keep talking, I'm gonna call the police.
Call the police, ho.
I'm gonna
call the police. Call the police, ho. Call the police.
Don't even.
Damn. Damn.
Oh.
That's assault. That's assault. That's literally assault.
Disrespect. Not where the fuck you from, bitch. I'm where the fuck that shit, ho. Yeah, 937, bitch.
You keep talking, I'm gonna call the police.
Call the police, ho.
I'm gonna
call the police. Call the police, ho.
Don't
Call the
even.
police.
Don't even.
Damn. Damn. That's assault. That's assault. That's literally assault.
Assault.
Yeah.
Assault.
Yeah.
Bitch asshole. What the
So?
fuck you gonna do? I ain't touched nobody. What the fuck they gonna do, bitch? I'm from California.
Nobody cares. Nobody cares.
California.
937.
Nobody cares.
Hi. Then why the fuck you record like a white ass?
Because this is hilarious.
You a nigga. You a nigga. You a nigga.
Okay.
You're a nigga. You're a nigga.
Okay.
Because she's carrying on, bro.
Hey, I'm a black person, not a just let y'all know.
You will never find a black man with the hair of a white man.
Simple as that. Now, this is the original sitcom, The Archie Bunkers. What does he have to say?
Pardon me asking, but does your husband do a lot of the cooking over your house?
He does all of it. He loves it.
Oh, well, ain't you a little afraid of what people could think?
You mean that I'm a lazy wife?
No, that he's a fed.
I've had a lot of inappropriate.
Oh boy, this one is hard. Yo, I don't know how this guy is able to hold a straight face when this woman comes in here confessing all her 304 duties and all her things that she's done in the past. It's crazy. Let's go.
Relationships with men, with women, a lot of men, a lot of women. I was fucking, I was sucking, I was in bars, cars, closets, trains, basically. I mean, shit, I had a couple ran on me. I'm a runner, I'm a track star, all of that. Like, it was bad.
Oh, yeah.
Stop the cap.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
I don't think she's lying, bro. I think she's actually being truthful, yo. She a super track star. Let's go. Let's hear that again.
Man with the hair of a white man.
Pardon me asking, but does your husband do a lot of the cooking over your house?
He does all of it. He loves it.
Oh, well, ain't you a little afraid of what people could think?
You mean that I'm a lazy wife?
No, that he's a fed.
I've had a lot of inappropriate relationships with men, with women, a lot of men, a lot of women. I was fucking, I was sucking, I was in bars, cars, closets, trains, basically. I mean, shit, I had a couple ran on me. I'm a runner, I'm a track star, all of that. Like, it was bad, and I'm not proud of it. And I want to publicly apologize for my choices and my decisions. You know, I was eating ass. And I don't even do that for my husband. So I don't know. I take full accountability. You know, it's not something.
Yo. This is disgusting, yo. How's this man able to stand up beside her when she's saying all this crap?
I was in bars, cars, closets, trains, basically. I mean, shit, I had a couple ran on me. I'm a runner, I'm a track star, all of that. Like, it was bad. And
wow.
I'm not proud of it. And I want to publicly apologize for my choices and my decisions. You know, I was eating ass. And I don't even do that for my husband. So I don't know. I take full accountability. You know, it's not something that's because of my family situation. It's not like I had a bad father or a bad mother growing up. It was nothing wrong like that. I had a loving family, loving siblings. Was raised well. I like being.
No one can.
Wow, bro. And you know, if someone called her a HOE, she'd probably be like, no, blah, 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 blah. Nobody can hold her accountable to it. She don't even hold herself accountable to it. She liked getting what she was getting. Yeah. Yo. Let's continue. Remember to like and remember to subscribe.
Hold Black women accountable. Black women, unfortunately, we have adopted this mentality that I can do whatever I want to do and can't nobody tell me anything. And this is why we are where we're at. We live in a very selfish, egotistical society now that nobody cares. If you're a Black woman and the whole Black women accountable, you have to be ready to like fight because it's going to come with a lot. I'm always thinking about how young girls are being influenced. So what us grown women are doing is influencing these girls to do these out of control, I don't care attitudes. They have the most disgusting attitudes to, then you can't even check them because they have their moms who say I could do whatever I want. So can't no one hold us accountable. Not a black man, your white boss probably, that's probably the only one who can tell us what to do because he pay us. A gay man can tell us what to do. If it's a black woman or a black man, a straight black man, we don't want to hear it.
This is for the older men. And if you're not an older man, I need you to keep scrolling. Okay, now that all the older men are here.
Thanks for tuning in to the Mr. Show. I Red Pill.